I can't say enough great things about Prince. Though we were supposed to make our way to the market to meet him, he agreed to meet us at our hotel to walk with us to the market, which was only 5 to 10 minutes away. Then, on the morning of our tour, it was raining, which would have made a tour of this open-air market miserable. Prince then agreed to get us by car to take us to another market that was covered so that we could get souvenirs without getting wet. He did not have to do this, and he truly went out of his way to accommodate us. He showed us around the market, told us how to bargain for lower prices and actually helped us to get better deals. He was so friendly and welcoming. He was so knowledgeable about the local markets and Ghanaian culture. He really was great. I wish we had met him sooner to get to do other tours with him. If you are planning to go to any of the markets, you have to go with Prince. Make sure you wear comfortable shoes and be ready to ebb and flow with everyone else. It's a ride not to believe. You will meet local vendors, learn about local plants, herbs, fruits, wild-caught sea animals. You will visit all the different sections of the market. It's like a super Walmart, Home Depot, Goodwill and bus station all in one giant outdoor market. You will learn about the ladies of the north who work as porters. It's crazy chaotic, but there is beauty in its apparent haphazard pace. Prince, our guide, loves his country and his enthusiasm is contagious. You can tell him exactly what you want to see or let him lead you on an adventure of discovery. I definitely recommend this tour. I was skeptical if I needed a tour for the market or not, but I'm glad I took this decision. Prince is such a great guide. He asked me first about my expectations, and when he realized I was more interested in exploring and taking photos, he tailored the tour to my needs, taking me to a lot of elevated buildings to take beautiful photos. And when I asked to buy something, he once again tailored the tour to help. He also bought me cocoa, which was a new experience for me to both drink and eat. Thank you, Prince, for the tour and for making me feel safe in the market. We almost tried to tackle that market on our own. Major mistake. It's huge, like, seriously sprawling, and super hot and crowded. Plus, let's just say excuse me isn't in everyone's vocabulary. Having Prince as our guide was a game changer. He knew all the shortcuts, where to find the best deals, and how to navigate the chaos like a pro. He even sorted out our ride home when our phones wouldn't work to call Uber. Seriously, save yourself the stress and book him. We'd have been totally lost without him. The actual market itself was amazing to see. I had an incredible experience with Prince as my guide. He was knowledgeable, friendly, and went above and beyond to make the tour unforgettable. Prince provided fascinating insights into the market and the local culture, helping me truly appreciate the vibrant energy of Makola Market. Exploring the market with a guide like Prince is an absolute must. It's the best way to navigate and fully immerse yourself in the experience. Highly recommend. My husband and I had a wonderful experience exploring the market with Prince as our guide. We went to the market on Sunday midday and it was not crowded. Prince was a very professional, helpful, and courteous guide. And he customized the experience to what we were interested in. I would recommend taking this tour and our guide, Prince.